Welcome to the all-new Synthesis AI Studio. We're going to talk about the three new applications: AI Voices, which is text-to-speech; AI Humans, which is text-to-video; and AI Images, which is text-to-images. All right, so let's see how AI Voices works. Let's click on AI Voices on the home screen and then click on Explore. Now here is the text editor where you get to select all the voices available. You can click on Show All to see the entire list of voices. You can use these filters to select the most optimal voice for your content. So I'm going to select Aria for the first voice. Then I'm going to add the text script. The best part is you can have multiple voice actors for the same voiceover. So in order to add another actor, just click on Add Paragraph and then click on Add Actor and then select the second actor and choose him from the drop-down. Add the second part of the script. So before we start rendering, you can also control the speed, the pause, the pitch of the voice, and you can also choose between several different styles that are available. We have a long list of styles available, like customer service, chat, narration, cheerful, empathetic, angry, sad, friendly, etc. So for this particular voiceover, I'm going to select customer service. And for the second, I'm going to select friendly. Okay, so you can see here, it indicates as well. So I then click here and then click on play.
Do you want to create AI branding videos that are fun, engaging, and memorable? If so, then you need to consider using Synthese's custom AI avatars.
Custom avatars can be a great way to add personality to your branding videos. By using AI technology, you can create realistic-looking avatars that can be used to represent your brand in a variety of ways.
Great. So now once the voiceover has been rendered, all you have to do is click on Save Project. And then click on Download. Just add a title, and you can download either as a single voiceover, or you can also render them by sentence. Okay, so just click on Download, save it on your computer. That's it. That's how easy it is to create a voiceover using Synthesis AI Voices. Now let's look at how AI Humans works. So click on AI Humans here. You get to see a few avatars here. You can click on the play buttons here to see how they perform. To start creating a video, click on Explore. Select the default template and click on Add. You can select any of these avatars for your videos. If you need more, you can click on the filter button here, and you can choose from the entire list of avatars available here. So if you want to see how the avatars actually look like, you can click on the play button here to see a sample of the video.
Hi, this is a preview demo video. My name is Lizzie, and you can hire me right away to create perfect videos together.
All right, so now let's select Lizzie as the avatar. Once you have selected the avatar that you want to use for your project, then you can add the text script out here. Then choose the voice actor by clicking here. Then, if you want to translate, you can use this button to translate your script to a different language. We support 30 different languages for translation. You can control the speed, the pitch, and the pauses in the script as well using these buttons. Now that we have added the script, let's add some content. Let's see how we can add some content to the video. You can upload your own image or use the ones that are available inside the app. You can upload your own video as well. and or use the ones that are already available inside the app, so something like that. Okay, so or you can choose a default color like this. If you want to upload your own file, own video and image file, you can do it from here. Okay, you can also add texts. Not only this, you can also move your humidor around using a simple drag and drop operation. Okay, if you want to resize your humidor, you can also do it just using your mouse. So you can do that. Now, there are a few other options available, like you can add shapes, frames, and icons to your video. And you can place them anywhere on your video as well. Then you can add background music as a soundtrack. You can upload your own music, or you can choose between the 4 that we have already provided inside the app. And then here are the slide transitions that are available. Now, before we move on to creating the video, you can add more slides to your video by clicking on the plus button here, and then setting the slide up with a different humidor and stuff like that. So you can set it up using a different humidor, different background image, different voice. And so yeah, you can do that as well. Let me select something else up here. Okay, and then add your script. Play the scripts.
Custom avatars can be a great way to add personality to your branding videos. By using AI technology, you can create realistic-looking avatars that can be used to represent your brand in a variety of ways. Do you want to create AI branding videos that are fun, engaging, and memorable? If so, then you need to consider using Synthese's custom AI avatars.
Once you're done playing the script, all you have to do is click on the Save button to create the project. The project is created. Then you can click on Create Video and select between the 2 resolutions available, HD and Super HD, and click on Create. That's how simple it is to create a video using AI humans. Now let's see the third application in the AI Studio, which is AI images. So let's click on Explore. You can just type in any prompt using your keyboard. You can add more parameters to your prompt like this to get a better output. Once you are done typing the prompt, you can select from different parameters out here. You can choose the artist type, choose from a list of artists provided here. Then you have different illustrations to choose from: anime, digital painting, doodle, etc. Then you can also choose the art style. Now, once you're ready with all the parameters, you can choose the resolution as well, and then click on Visualize. See? So these are how the renders would look like. You can also download the images from here, or you can download all the images together from here. This is how easy it is to create images from a text prompt using Synthesis AI images. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching.